Hi, my name is Abhinav, and this video is about my summer project for building a computer. I wanted to build a computer because I'm not satisfied with the computers in the current market. Also, I wanted my computer to be all around good, in gaming and in everyday usage. Basically, I wanted to be able to game smoothly, but also be able to do a wide variety of other tasks. So for this project, I did lots of research. I compared the specs for many parts, and I chose the part that gave me the most power and speed, but was well within my budget. In this video, I will briefly tell you about why I bought each part, so some basic specs, and then I will actually build the computer. These are the parts I bought based on my research. Let's get started. This is my Intel i5 quad-core 4690K processor with integrated HD graphics. This is my HyperX RAM. It's 8GB dual-channel DDR3 memory. This is my SanDisk 120GB solid-state drive that'll serve as my primary drive. This is my 1TB 7200 RPM Western Digital hard disk drive, and this will serve as my secondary drive. This is my 600-watt Corsair power supply that'll serve me good for years to come. This is my Asus Z97A motherboard. It comes with 6 USB 3.0, 8 audio channels, high performance prioritized bandwidth for a smooth gaming experience, and gigabit Ethernet. I like this. I like whoever designed this. I like this. This is so cool.
Yeah.
Oh, that's sharp. Not the best way to do it. It looks so cool. Alright. I think that's it. I think that's it. Cry! Cry! Power LED. It works! It works! Works! It's flashing red. That flashed red. That flashed. Something's up. It worked! Yes! Yes! Yes!
That's it.
Ah! Okay, so now the whole build is done. I've finished installing all the parts, finished installing Windows, and I've put in the Wi-Fi card. And I just wanted to show you how fast this computer boots up. Ready, set, go. lightning fast. Just like that. Now I just want to show you how the browser boots up. Look how fast that is. That's great.